We got a straight piped Dodge Challenger SXT over here, guys. Let me show you what we did. Starting from the front, as requested, nothing was touched over here. This is where we did majority of the work. Check out the stock X pipe right there. Mid mufflers that we removed. I think the customer actually had some flow masters there that he didn't want, and he asked us to remove them. They're right there on the floor. Check those out. Those are old though. In the back over here, we removed the rear mufflers, and we replaced the tips with these quad matte black tips. Let me show you these old ones right here. As you guys know, it's just these little cutouts or whatever, and just to give that image of a tip, right? That look of a tip, but there's no value to this. This customer came in and had this in the back. Check this out. This is disgusting. And he's like, you know what, guys, just put on the tips. And we're like, yo, if you guys have this on your car, something like this, you can't just replace the tips and leave this like this. You're gonna have all sorts of problems. Your tips might fall off on the highway. God forbid it hits someone. It's you'll be held liable and extremely negligent, god dang it. You could go to Janiastine Law. It's the cameraman. Just kidding, but we're gonna bring it down and fire it up for you guys. Again, fully straight piped Dodge Challenger SXT with the matte black quad tips in the back, available at gexhaust.com. Let me know how it sounds. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah.